In a fire, what happens at your elevator doors matters more than you think. In a lab test shown in the small insets below, we compared how smoke behaves with 3 different approaches: no protection, a conventional swing door, and SmokeGuard. In the larger video panes on the screen, we have used 3D animation to demonstrate what these tests mean in a real-world elevator lobby setting. Just 30 seconds in, the unprotected door leaks heavily. The swing door slows it, but smoke is seeping through. SmokeGuard remains sealed. After 50 seconds, smoke has fully proliferated the unprotected door while smoke is starting to breach the swing door. SmokeGuard still holding strong. By 2 minutes, both the unprotected and swing door systems have failed. SmokeGuard is still preventing smoke proliferation. Invisible protection until it's needed, and when it is, it makes all the difference. SmokeGuard, proven performance when every second counts.